Okay everybody, I'm here with my 2014 Camaro SS. This is the 6.2 liter V8 with the manual transmission. And today I'm going to show you how to change your belt and your tensioner. So I want to say up front, if this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe, comment. All those things help me out with what I'm trying to do with my little channel here. So appreciate your support there. This is a pretty easy job. What you want to do is order both a new tensioner and a new belt. Whenever I do this job, I like to replace both at the same time. Especially in this case, this is a engine that I've done a lot of work on. It has custom built heads from Texas Speed and a custom ground camshaft, along with a lot of other modifications and upgrades. And I want to make sure that this belt is in good order. And what I've noticed lately is a little bit of chirping when we're under tension, and what that tells me is either my tension or my belt or both are starting to get a little loose. So went on to Rock Auto and ordered the tensioner, went on to Amazon and ordered the belt. I think this is a Gates belt from Amazon. So I want to make sure you have the right one. If you have the automatic transmission, LSA motor, if you have the V6, you're obviously going to have a different size belt. So it's a pretty easy job. What you do is take a 15 millimeter socket, and then you've got your breaker bar here. And as you pull with your breaker bar, see how the belt loosens? You just pull downward, take that belt off, and once it's off, the tensioner will slide up and get out of the way of two other bolts. These two other bolts are here and on the back side. Maybe you can see down in here. They're both 15 millimeter as well. So once you take those two bolts off, I'll show you the old one here. It just comes right off. Easy peasy. Here's the old belt. And then to reverse the steps, you do the same thing. You put the two 15 millimeter bolts back in, put your tensioner on, and then very importantly is look up the belt diagram for your motor and make sure that you route this belt exactly as the diagram says. As you bring the belt up here, it won't fit over the tensioner at full tension. So again, you put your breaker bar in here, pull to the right, it's gonna loosen enough that you can slide that belt over. And then I like to be diligent, look one more time at my belt diagram, make sure that I've got it in the right order. And at that point you can fire up the motor and take a quick look at the gauges, make sure you've done everything right, and you're in shape. Easy job, not worth paying a shop, and something you can do in 10 minutes in the garage. So very much recommend you take care of this one on your own. So again, if this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe, comment. All those things are very helpful to me. Share with your Camaro friends. And most of all, thanks for watching, everyone.